In this video, I'll show you how to disable auto update in the GOG app quickly and easily. This is a simple setting, but it can be really useful if you want more control over when your games download updates, especially if you're trying to save bandwidth, avoid interruptions, or just prefer to update games manually on your own schedule. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this one. Now let's jump right in. First, open the GOG app on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand menu and find the cog icon. This is the settings area, and that's where you'll be able to change your update preferences. Click the cog icon, then click Settings. When the settings window opens, you'll see several tabs and options, so take a moment to make sure you are in the Game Features tab from the left menu. This is the section that controls game-related behavior inside the app, including automatic updates. Now, look for the option labeled Auto Update Games. To disable Auto Update, simply click the box next to Auto Update Games so it is unchecked. Once that box is turned off, the GOG app will stop automatically updating your games in the background. That means you'll be able to choose when updates happen instead of having them download or install on their own. After you've made the change, you can close the settings window and the new settings should stay in place. If you ever want to turn auto update back on later, just come back to the same game features tab and check that box again. So that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've disabled auto update in the GOG app and taken back control of your game updates. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.